Hello students, till now we were solving equations with one variable. Now we will be solving equations with two variables. Whenever there are two variables, there has to be two equations. Okay, so let's see the next sum. Solve the following equation and find the value of x and y. And two equations are given in the question. Okay, so whenever you are supposed to find x and y and two equations are given, you have to make sure that either constants of x has to be same or constants of y has to be same. Fine. If it is not same, here it is not same. If it is not same, you have to make it same. Okay, so how can I make it same? Now the best way is, see, my equation, I'll name this as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, in my equation 1, the constant of y is 4, and in the equation 2, constant of y is 2, right? So to make the equation 2, to make the constant 2 here 4, it is very easy. How it is very easy? Just multiply by 2. I cannot just multiply one digit of the equation. I have to multiply it by 2. I have to multiply the whole equation by 2. So when I do equation 2 into 2, then it will become 10x minus 4y is equal to 16. Correct? This is my equation. What did I do? I multiplied 2 to the whole equation. Okay? Now I'll write my first equation as it is, which is 6x plus 4y is equal to 48. Okay? Now you see here, this area, it is minus 4y plus 4y, right? I can cancel it, right? So what I'll do is, I'll keep the signs as it is. Okay, so I'll say multiplying equation 1 with equation 2. Okay, so I'll just name it. Instead of naming, okay, I'll just multiply both the equations. I'll just add both the equations. So when I add both the equations, the sign remains same. Correct? And now I can cancel this. So 10x plus 6x will become 16x is equal to 48 plus 16. 48 plus 16 is 64. Correct? So x is equal to 64 upon 16. Right? So (64) divided by 16 is 4. Okay. So that means x is equal to 4. Once you get value of any one variable, just substitute that in any equation. Equation 1 or equation 2, any equation you can substitute, and then you can find the value of y. I'll substitute this x is equal to 4 in equation 2. Substituting x is equal to 4 in equation 2. Okay. So when I substitute this, so 5x, instead of x I'll write 4, minus 2y is equal to 8. So minus 2y is equal to 8 minus 20. Minus 2y is equal to minus 12. y is equal to minus 12 upon minus 2. So y is equal to 6. So this way I have found the value of x as well as y. Got it? Okay. Let's solve the next question. Solve the following equation by eliminating elimination method and find the value of x and y. Okay, so next question is question number 24. So the equations are 4x plus 2y is equal to 54 and 3x minus y is equal to 33. So these are the two equations. Okay, so here also I have to make sure that my constants of either x and x has to be same, or my constants of y and y has to be same. Okay, y means 1y it is, right? So how I'll make it same? The best way is I can just multiply 2 to the second equation, so it will become 2y, and the above one is in the first equation the constant of y is 2 only, correct? So I'll just multiply 2 to the second equation. Okay, one more thing I can do, I can divide 2 from the first equation, because 4 is also divisible. Wait, I'll just mark and show you, because 4 is also divisible by 2, 2 is also divisible by 2, and 54 is also divisible by 2. So one more thing I can do, I can just divide 2 from equation 1, even that I can do, or I can multiply 2 to the equation 2. Okay, okay, in this sum, in the previous sum I have multiplied, so in this sum I'll divide 2. Okay, so I'll just divide equation 1 divide by 2. So when I am doing equation 1 divide by 2, so it will become 2x plus y is equal to 2 2s are 27. Yeah, so this will be my, this will happen, right? Equation 1 divide by 2, correct? Now I'll write the second equation again, which is 3x minus y is equal to 33, correct? So minus plus y minus y I can just cancel. I'm adding it up because I don't want to change the signs. Okay, so I'm adding both the equations. So 5x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 by 5. So x is equal to 12. Right? Now substitute x is equal to 12 in an equation. So I'll write I want you all to write here like equation 1 divide by 2. Okay, fine. Now I'll substitute x is equal to 12 in equation 2. So I'll write here substituting x is equal to 12 in equation 2. You can substitute in equation 1 also, it doesn't matter. Okay, the answer will come same. So 3x, so instead of x I'll write 12 minus y is equal to 33. Okay, so 12 into is 36 minus y is equal to 33, minus y is equal to, or what I'll do is instead of writing minus y is equal to, I'll write it y is equal to 36. I'm taking minus y other side. Okay, minus 33. So y is equal to 3. Okay. Very simple. Let's solve the next question. Question number 25. Solve the simultaneous equation and find the value of x and y. The equations are 8x plus 3y is equal to 23 and 4x minus 5y is equal to 31. Okay, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, so best way is to multiply 2 to equation 2. Then my 4x will become 8x. Correct? Then x part I can cancel. So what I'll do is 2 into equation 2. Or you can, I think it would be better if you write it. Multiplying 2 to equation 2. Okay, so when I multiply 2 to equation 2, it will become 8x minus 10y is equal to 62. Correct? I'll write my first equation, which is 8x plus 3y is equal to 23. Now, this is plus 8x, this is also plus 8x. You cannot cancel it. Correct? So what I'll do is I'll change the signs. How I will change the signs? Instead of adding, I will subtract. Okay. So when I subtract equation 1 with equation 2, when I subtract equation 1 with equation 2, all the signs will change. Right? So this plus will become minus. This plus will become minus. Correct? Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Right? Correct? So what is happening? I'll just tell you. Wait. Okay. So equation 1. Now I'll name this as equation. This is actually equation 1, no? So equation 1 minus equation 2. Correct? When I'm subtracting this, okay. So when I open the bracket, this blue bracket which I have made, if I open it, so what will happen? Plus 8x will become minus 8x, plus 3y will become minus 3y, and plus 23 will become minus 23 because you are subtracting. Correct? Okay. So when you open the brackets, what will happen? So minus 60, this 3y will become minus 3y and 23 will become minus 23. Now 8x minus 8x, now you can cancel this. 10y minus 3y will become minus 13y, and 62 minus 23. Just do 62 minus 23. Okay. So y will be 39 upon 13. This one minus sign is there. Okay. So y is equal to 3. Sorry, minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now substituting y is equal to minus 3 in equation, any equation you can substitute. Substituting y is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. I'll substitute in equation 1. Okay. So 8x is equal to 3 into minus 3. Sorry. 8x plus 3 into minus 3 is equal to 23. So 8x minus 9 is equal to 23. 8x is equal to 23 plus 9. So 23 plus 9 is 32, correct? So x is equal to 32 upon 8. So x is equal to 4. That means y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. Okay? Okay? Let's solve the next sum. So the equation is 7 plus x by 5 minus 2x minus y by 4 is equal to 3y minus 5. This is my one equation. And second equation is 5y minus 7 by 2 plus 4x minus 3 by 6 is equal to 18 minus 5x. So we will change the way the equation is looking. Okay, so I'll write down the first equation first, which is 7 plus x upon 5 minus 2x minus y by 4 is equal to 3y minus 5. I want this equation to look like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In that format, I want this in that format. So I'll just cross multiply 7 plus x minus 5 into 2x minus y upon 20 is equal to 3y minus 5. Let's open the bracket. 4 sevens are 28 plus 4x minus 5 into 10, 5 into 2, 10. 10x minus minus will become plus 5y. Okay, 20 I'll take to the other side, so 20 into 3y minus 5. I'll open that bracket also. So minus 10x, okay, and plus 4y will become minus 6y, right, plus 5y, sorry, 5x minus 6x plus 5y, okay, and plus 28 is equal to 60y minus 100. Okay, 60y I'll bring it to this side. So when 60y comes this side, it will become minus 60y. So minus 6x plus 5y minus 60y is equal to minus 100 minus 28, which will make it 6x minus 55y is equal to minus 128. Okay, so this is my first equation. Now second equation. Five y minus 7 by 2 plus 4x minus 3 by 6 is equal to 18 minus 5x. So similarly, I want to make the denominator same. Okay, so I want this denominator and this denominator same so that I can add. So the best way is I'll multiply and divide by 3. Okay, so I'll multiply this and this by 3. Now I can write, so denominator is same now, that is 6, correct? So 15y minus 7 into 3 is 21 plus 4x minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 18 minus 5x. Okay, so this denominator 6, I'll take it to the other side. Okay, then it will become like this, 6 into 18 minus 5x. Okay, now I'll write the x term first, which is 4x plus 15y minus 24 is equal to 6 into 18. 6, what is this? 6 into 18 is equal to 108 minus 30x, correct? So I'll bring 30x this side, so minus 30x will become plus 30x, so 34x plus 15y is equal to 108 plus 24. 108 plus 24 is 132, correct? So 132. This is my equation 2. Now I have two equations. Okay, now I will make sure that my both the equation is either x terms are same or y terms are same. So I believe that to make y term same would be easier. Yeah, no, actually to make x term same would be easier. It doesn't make any difference though. Okay, anyway, so what I'll do is okay, I'll multiply first equation with 34 and I'll multiply second equation with 6. That is the simplest way to do. Okay, so I want my 34 and 6. Okay, I want my x terms to be same. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll multiply 6 to equation 2 and I'll multiply 34 to equation 1. Okay, so equation 2 multiplied by 6 will give me 34 into 6. How much is 34 into 6? 34 into 6 is equal to 204. So 204 x plus 15 into 6. 15 into 6 is equal to 90. So 90y is equal to 132. So 132 into 6. 792. Okay, 792, and I will multiply equation 1. I'll multiply equation 1 with 34. Okay, so it will be minus 204x minus 55 into 34. 55 into 34 will give me 1870. 1870 y is equal to minus 128 into 34. 128 into 34 equals 4352. 4352. Okay. Now I'll just add both the equations. Okay. When I add both the equations, x terms I can just cancel it. Okay. Now y terms. 1870 minus 90. 1870 minus 90 is equal to 1780. 1780 minus 1780y is equal to 4352 minus 792. 4352. 4352 minus 792 is equal to 3560. 3560. So y is equal to minus 3560 upon minus 1780. Okay. Which is equal to minus minus I can cancel. Okay. 3560 upon 1780. 3560 upon 1780, no? Sorry. 3560 divided by 1780 is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. Okay. Now let's substitute this in any of the equation. I'll substitute this in equation 1. I'll substitute this in equation 2. Substituting y is equal to 2 in equation 2. Okay. So 34x plus, I don't know what is happening. 34x plus 15 into 2 is equal to 132. So 34x plus 30 is equal to 132. 34x is equal to 132 minus 30, which is 102. X is equal to 102 upon 34. So 102 upon 34 is equal to 3. That means x is equal to 3. Okay. So please take down. I hope everybody has understood how to solve the sum. Let's solve the next question. Okay. solve the simultaneous equation and find the value of x and y. The equation is 20x plus 30y is equal to 17. (16x plus 10y is equal to 8. So what we can do is we can just multiply 3 to equation 2. Okay, so when you multiply 3 to equation 2, your 10y becomes 30y, correct? And then you can cancel that. So multiplying 3 to equation 2, what will happen? 16 into 3, what is 16 into 3? 48. So 48x plus 30y is equal to 8 into 3, just 24, correct? And my first equation is 20x minus plus 30y is equal to 17. What I'll do is I'll subtract it. When I subtract it, the sign changes, correct? So minus, this will become minus, this will become minus. Okay. So 24 minus 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. (28x) and this I can cancel. So 28x is equal to 24. Okay. Fine. So x is equal to 24 upon 28. 28. 4 6 4 7 So x is equal to 6 by 7. Oops, wait. Sorry. Here this is not 24, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will become 7. This is 7. So 7 by 28. So x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So when you know the value of x, you have to find the value of y. Just substitute it. So I'll substitute this in equation 2. Okay. Substituting x is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 2. So 16 into 1 by 4 plus 10y is equal to 8. So 4 plus 10y is equal to 8. (10y) is equal to 8 minus 4 will be 4. Y is equal to 4 by 10. Which is 2 by 5. So y is equal to 2 by 5. This is the final answer.